My name is Sylvia Marquin. Today is January 23rd, and this is video demonstration week number 2 for plate counts and, bacteria, enumeration, dilution, and plate counts. So on today's experiment, basically we are going to go ahead and do the plate counts. Let me show you my little workstation with the supplies that we need. Of course, I already wiped down the area with the 10% chloric solution that I found that it usually works for E. coli and any bacteria growth. So I already wiped down the area where I'm working, and I'm going to go ahead and move this a little bit so I can show you. So right here, you can see that I have my workstation, and I already have my test tubes, my cerevisiae, I have alcohol, I have water, and I already have my agar plates with the agar solution. So this is ready to go and start. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back over here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so basically before I started recording yesterday, I prepared my agar plates with the agar solution, and today I label them 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, and 10 6. Also, before I started recording, I put water on five of my tubes so that way I can show you how I filled out all of them. But I did label my test tubes 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, and 10 6. The alcohol solution, basically what we're going to do is that we're going to fill up the pipette all the way to the bulb and let it sit for 20 seconds. So I'm looking at the clock on my phone so I can let 20 seconds pass by. And meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and fill out test tube 10-1. That's the one I left empty, so I can show you how I fill all the other ones. So basically, we're going to grab 225 distilled water. This is 1, 2, 25. So this is how I did all of them for the water. Put it in there. And 20 seconds have gone by with my pipette on the alcohol. So I'm going to go ahead and empty that on the sink. I left a little open space right here so I can empty it on the sink. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the excess out as instructed on the video. Okay, so I got the excess alcohol out. Now I'm going to grab my cerevisiae, and I'm going to make sure that it's all even out. So I'm going to shake it a little bit with the pipette, and I'm going to grab 0.25 and put it into tube 1. So I have a little bit hard time looking at the little line. Give me a second. There it is. Okay. Okay, this is 0.25. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in tube number 1. Let me move the water out of the way because I already used that. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get all the excess of the cerevisiae in and out of my pipette. And let me move this out of the way so we're not going to use it anymore. For the alcohol. So
I already completed that. So
now I'm going to graph
0.25
and transfer it to test tube number
2. Five to test number 2. Make sure I get all the excess
in and out.
Okay, so same process. 0.25 and to test tube
Number
3. Same process. Okay. 0.25 again. 0.25 to test tube
number 4.
Okay. 0.25 again.
Test tube number 5.
And 0.25 again. It's hard to grab. Okay. To 5 and to
Test tube number
6. And we'll repeat the same steps. Okay. After this process,
we're going to clean the pipette to clear it out from all the organisms with my water. So I have my water right here. Sorry, this is my water pipette. So I'm going to put it to the side.
sign right here, and I'm gonna
Go ahead and
clear all the organisms
systems
in and out of my pipette.
pipette.
Clean in and out.
And
Get any excess water.
water out.
Okay, so now
I have my plates right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 drops, which is 0.125 into each of my plates.
so we're gonna go ahead
And grab
grab 4 drops from each.
each of these ones.
So I have my plate number 1
Right here. And we're
I
going to
put 4 drops.
1,
2, 3, 4. I'm gonna rinse that out. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and
swirl it around so it can go all over my plate. Same
thing with 10,
2.
4 drops. This is 10-2. Agar plate.
10,
1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure I move it all around. Okay. 10, 3. Auger play 10, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Move it all around. Even. So now we're going to go with 10, 4.
10, 4. Same
Thing. 4 drops.
10, 4. 10, 4. 1.
2, 3, 4. Move it all around. Okay. Now we're going to go with
10, 5.
10, 5. It's right here. 10, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to swirl it around. And 10, 6 will be
The last one.
4 drops again. 10, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
And that concludes the preparation of my agar plates. And I already have the area where I'm going to incubate them for about 48 hours, and we will record the findings of my agar plates in 48 hours. It is January 25th. This is Bio 225 video demonstration, week number 2. And this is for bacterial enumeration, dilution, and plate counts. So this is the second part of my video. This is 48 hours after I have incubated my bacteria. So I have my plates right here, and I have them in order: plate 1, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, and 10, 6. So in 10, 1, if I look at it in the light, I already looked at my bacteria, and it's too numerous to count. So this is the finding on yeast or Cerevisiae 10, 1, and it's too numerous to count. For some reason on my 10, 2, seems like they got all together as well if I look under a light, but it's too numerous to count, except that we have like more little spots like in different areas. So it's still too numerous to count. Plate 10, 3, I looked under the light, and I counted it about 300 on the CFU units, and that are viable. And
10, 4.
I'm not sure if like some bacteria grew on the side, but it also has too numerous to count. So I'm not sure if you can see that. So I'm not sure if it's either my temperature. I checked my temperature when I put everything away 2 days ago, and now that I see it has like too numerous to count, but I wanted to document my findings. And also on 10, 5, I looked under the light, and it's too few to count. As you can see, there's not much. And same thing on 10, 6. If I look under the light over here, there's too few to count as well. So these are my findings on my plate counts. So this is for video exercise week number 2 for Bio 225, and we will see each other again on week number 3.